Hello my dear students, welcome to Computer Class 4, Chapter 4, Formatting a Document, Part 1. My dear children, open page number 36 for it. Dear children, in this chapter number 4, students, we will be learning about how to format a document. In this, I will give you a brief introduction to formatting. After that, we will be learning about changing the font type and how to apply the bold italics and underline effect. We will also learn how to change the text alignment, text color, text case, and set the line spacing and paragraph spacing. Students, also if you want to create a list, we can do it bulleted and numbered, and then later print and preview the document. But first and foremost, before going for all this, what do you students understand by formatting? Formatting means changing the appearance of the documents to make it look attractive. And how can we format it? We can create and design the document which gives them an appealing effect by changing the font size. For changing the font, different types of fonts are there. You can highlight keywords of the document. You can adjust the lining space. You can set the margins. You can set the tabs. You can align text on a page, like you can left align, center align, or right align it. Or you can also create bullet numbers with different types of textures. You can change the text keys and apply the borders, and also you have the options of changing the text style and color. Dear children, there are so many options to make your document look so attractive that when you see the document, you will find your document looks appealing. Now, formatting effects can be applied from which tab? From the Home tab. This Home tab contains the font formatting commands in font group. Now, paragraph option, text style option, copy and move option, finding and replacing option, all you can find there. Dear children, this copy and move command you can find in clipboard. Hope you all remember what is clipboard, that I have explained you in the previous chapter. So, students, you know well that a clipboard is a temporary storage area in Windows that allows you to store, cut, copy and paste data while switching between the application while you are working on Office. You can save 24 text and graphical items here. And when you exit from MS Office, the last save item that you have copied stays back there in clipboard itself. Now, let's repeat once again that where are these commands located? So, listen to it carefully. The font command is located in font group. Paragraph option is located in paragraph group. Text command is located in styles group. And copying command is located in clipboard group, which is temporary data storage option. Now, find and replace select command is located in the editing group. Now that we have learned the introduction, how to do formatting and stuff, we will learn how to change the font type. So, the characters with specific size and designs that are used for typing the documents are called fonts. Now, Word 2016 or other version of Word that you might be using in your computer provides you with the list and various types of options for fonts. Like when you open the Word, the text appears in the default font, that is Calibri. Calibri body has a font size or point size of 11. The point size 11 and the Calibri are set by default, and if you want the font to change it, you have to select the text first. For that, go to Home tab. In the Home tab, click on the drop down arrow which is located next to the font box in the font group. The number of list of font appears. Here you can choose your desired font from the displayed font list, and then slowly you immediately you will observe the change there. Okay, now you can see the picture, the figure 4.1 in your book in the right side bottom of the page, that is page number 36. But you must be feeling what are font size. Okay, the font sizes are, the question must be arising in your mind that what are font size. The font size are overall size of the letters that you type. For changing the font size, you can even click on the font size drop down arrow in the font group, okay, which is located on the Home tab, and select any font size which is displayed in the list. Okay, now dear students, in previous version the default font was in Times New option, but in Microsoft Word it has been set to Calibri with 11 point size. Okay, now in Zoom classes, what you always ask, you ask the question if your version of Word is feasible or not. Yes, dear children, in all version of Word, the function is the same. You need to practice and follow the instruction. So for today, we will end the session to this page only, and we will start the next topic in the upcoming session. Go through the chapter well and go through the previous chapter well. Dear children, go through the steps of the previous chapter. Whatever I have taught you, try to do the practical for that. Okay, go through this chapter, go through the previous chapter, try to do the practical work if possible, and learn the steps and the shortcut commands, whatever I have taught till now. Till then, stay fit, stay well. Thank you.